Hello everyone, welcome again. If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So let's start. Today we're going to see how to activate followers option on your Facebook. This is really helpful if you want anyone to be able to send you a friend request or if you prefer to limit friend requests. First, open the Facebook application and then tap on the menu in the lower right corner. Then scroll down to the Settings and Privacy option and next tap on Settings. Go to the How to Find and Contact You section and then locate Who can send your friend requests. Here you can change it to either everyone or friends of friends. After doing this, I recommend going to the Followers and Public Contact section. Here you can modify who can follow you, either anyone or friends of friends. By following all of these steps, you should be able to activate the Followers option on Facebook. And that's all, folks. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. See you next time. Goodbye.